Potential barrier. What is potential barrier? The electrons in the N region have to climb the potential hill in order to reach the P region. Electrons trying to cross from the N region to P region experience a retarding field of the battery and therefore repelled. Similarly for holes from P region. The potential thus produced is called potential barrier. It is 0.3 volt for the germanium and it is equal to 0.7 volt for silicon. In the diagram there are two types of semiconductors. One is P type and other is N type semiconductor, and P region is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and N region is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. PN junction can basically work in two modes. First is forward bias mode. In the forward bias mode, positive terminal of the battery is connected to the P region and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the N region. Such type of mode is called forward bias mode. Second is reverse bias mode. If the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the P region and positive terminal of the battery is connected to N region, then such type of mode is called reverse bias mode. Forward bias PN junction. It forces the majority charge carriers to move across the junction, decreasing the width of the depletion layer. In the forward bias, the depletion layer width will decreases. Once the junction is crossed, a number of electrons and the holes will recombine. For each hole in the P section that combines with an electron from the N section, a covalent bond breaks and the electron is liberated, which enters the positive terminal, thus creating an electron hole pair. Current in the N region is carried by electrons and in P region current is carried by holes. Reverse biased PN junction. In the reverse biased, the battery positive terminal is connected to the N type and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the P type. Then such type of mode is called reverse biased mode or reverse biased PN junction. Only the minority carriers cross the junction, constituting very low reverse saturation current. This current is of the order of microampere. Voltage current VI characteristics of PN junction diode. The curve drawn between voltage across the junction along x-axis and the current through the circuits along the y-axis. It is the graph between V and I. They describe the DC behavior of the diode. When it is in forward bias, no current flows until the barrier voltage is overcome. For germanium, it is 0.3 volt. Then the curve has a linear rise and the current increases with the increase in forward voltage like an ordinary conductor. There is a linear relationship between V and I.